How about we make this one of the best views that you may see on the shores of Lake Erie for today? Marblehead Lighthouse Cam giving us that perfect combination of blue skies, gorgeous looking shores of Lake Erie, and a very calm scene out on the lake. Waves a foot or less. It's been a great day to be out there boating on Lake Erie. Will continue to be a good week for that as well. One thing we need to watch for tomorrow, it's going to be our weather impact of the day. Some scattered afternoon showers and storms. A few of those isolated storms may have some gusty winds and brief downpours. We're not expecting any widespread severe weather and a bit more humid feeling once again as we creep into our Wednesday afternoon. Most areas right around the low to mid 80s have actually been steadily rising through the afternoon now into the evening. 86 in Wauseon, matching that in Defiance, 83 in Ottawa, 84 Toledo. Monroe is at 82 and a little closer to the lakeshore. Just showed you Marblehead. How about that? 76 degrees. A little hint of that breeze coming right off the shores of Lake Erie. We are dry the rest of the evening. You want to head out after dinner for that walk or take the dog on out. And you're going to have great conditions to do that with dry weather. Any ball games across the area, a few fair weather clouds. No disruption to any outdoor activities this evening. Nearest rain chances west of us toward Chicago, working into western Indiana. That likely to be fading away as we go after dark tonight. And outside of just a brief sprinkle overnight, we're likely to be dry. Very small window of a couple isolated strong storms from the thumb of Michigan through southeastern Michigan. Does include a little bit of northwest Ohio. This is tomorrow afternoon, but I'll be honest, this is just a very isolated risk of a couple storms that could produce some gusty winds and brief downpours. Now, one thing, if you noticed it, have the allergies improved? We're now well past tree pollen season. Haven't quite hit the grass, mold, or ragweed yet. Those are all still considered low. I like to call it the Goldilocks time of the year, so we're not really suffering as much from the tree pollen, and we've yet to see the other ones really kick into gear for the second half of summer. Wednesday's outlook, it is going to bring more cloud cover in the morning. Highs are going to make it into the mid-80s, and then scattered chances of afternoon showers and storms will become more likely. Mid-80s toward Lake Erie tomorrow. Waves a foot or less, could be a little higher if gusty winds do pick up and any storm threats, but that storm threat will remain isolated. You're going to start the day with mainly dry weather on Wednesday morning through the afternoon. The chance we spark up some afternoon showers and storms. Better chance is going to be after 3 p.m. Between about 3 to 9 p.m. is the chance of those scattered storms. We will be in the mid-80s. Turns just a touch more humid as we go through the afternoon Wednesday. Isolated storm threats Thursday, Friday, but that chance realistically is going to be 20% or less. Back toward 90 into the start of the weekend Saturday. A likely chance of showers and storms to start the weekend Saturday. It is going to be a sticky, humid start to the weekend. Mid-80s to upper 80s on Sunday, and we'll stay in the upper 80s near 90 as we get into early next week. So easily could add, well, it could be 2 or 3 more 90-degree days still in this 10-day forecast.
I am still just amazed at the fact that we had such a wet streak for the spring into the summer. And as soon as we start seeing that ease off the gas a little bit, that grass starts yellowing so quickly, right?
You would have thought, like, you got an inch of rain last week. All right, I'm going to be good for quite some time. It dries out just like that, which is why regular rainfall this time of the year so important that every 2 or 3 days we get at least some scattered showers and storms. And so far, it's looking that's going to remain promising as we go into the middle of July. We don't want to have what happened last year where it just kind of turned off and we didn't have any rain the second half of summer. No indications that that's going to happen again this year.
All right. Thanks, Chris.